Hello, guys, and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are doing this unboxing only. Why? Because I think these two were the cool cars in the Boulevard set, and this was the only car I wanted from the latest Pop series. So, because we have this just one, we will open it later. I'll put it on the side and we are going to have a look on, actually no, let's open this. Let's open this Hotwheels Premium Toyota Tacoma from 2024. 2024 Toyota Tacoma from this year's Boulevard. This is pretty heavy. Yeah, this casting is very heavy actually, and it looks good actually, really good. The base is cool. We have all the base details here. The wheels are threaded, and yeah, it's cool. I'm not sure if you can see this red shock absorber kind of stuff. Let me show you guys. See, you can see it now. Nice, really nice detail. I think it's the part of the interior, because the interior is also red. Let me adjust my, yeah, better. This is a nice truck. I'm sorry for that. It was my mistake, of course. Yeah, better now. Let me get the turntable and put it on it. So many Toyota Tacomas I have this far, but this is the first premium truck that I've got. And I have shown you guys the detailing on the wheels they put. It's amazing. And other than that, the truck looks absolutely fantastic, because we have all the detailings on the front, the grille, the logo, and on the hood as well. We have the detailings on the top. We have black roof, and we have all the details on the back as well. So this was the reason, even though all the cars in this set had all the details, but only this and Mercedes is something that I liked, and they stand out from the set, so I got it. So that was your Toyota Tacoma, and the next we have is this amazing AMG Mercedes-Benz Black Series. And let's rip this open. Here is your Mercedes. Wow. I have saw a couple of photos of this, and trust me, when it is in hand, it looks better than all the photos I've saw, because the wheels actually suits and matches the color of the car. And here's your base, all the details, even there are good exhaust, and they put silver on this. Wow, that's nice. Let's put this Tacoma here and have a close look on this. Wow, I think this is the only Mercedes from the Black Series I'm going to add in my collection. And you guys can see why. The wheels on this looks so absolutely so well they look just perfect, like made for each other, the wheels and the car combination. I like the rear with the AMG logo on it and this little spoiler in the black. I like the front, especially they created the grille and on the top they gave the Mercedes logo, even though in the real one it's steel one, but it looks good for this size. Beautiful car. This is your last car for today's unboxing. From the Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning, it's 2021 BMW M5. Next time I'll bring my cutting tool. I think I've damaged a lot of cards today. And here's your BMW. Well, this also looked better like when it's in hand. Here's your base with all the details. The exhaust's coming out. The number plate is there. Let's put this on the turntable and see. I only got this car because this was in the movie, but now I'm thinking that I have done the right deal. I made the right decision to get it because look at that metal flake dark gray color. And this car have all the details from front to back, just like the actual car. It does have all the logos and rear details, the number plate on the front, we have headlights. Even on the top, the roof is black. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to add this in my collection and I'm happy to add it. So guys, that was your unboxing for today. Do not forget to subscribe and share your views. I always welcome your views. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.